What if the secret to unlocking your body's detox power wasn't in a bottle, but right in your kitchen? Every single day, your liver quietly fights the toughest battles inside your body, filtering toxins, balancing hormones, and fueling your metabolism. But here's the problem. When your liver slows down, you slow down. You feel tired, foggy, inflamed, and you may not even realize your body's most powerful organ is begging for help. So today, we're uncovering the 7 real, science-backed foods that can clean, repair, and supercharge your liver naturally. No gimmicks, no detox juices, just truth backed by biology. If you're serious about your health, focus, and longevity, hit subscribe to Wellness Plate right now, because this is the kind of science that can transform how your body heals itself.
Here's something few people understand. Your liver isn't just a filter, it's your body's chemical genius. It transforms toxins into harmless compounds, builds essential hormones, and stores glycogen, your emergency energy reserve. It's involved in over 500 life-sustaining functions, but when it becomes fatty or inflamed, that entire system backs up. Toxins start recycling into your bloodstream, your metabolism drops, and even your mood can tank. That's why fatigue, stubborn belly fat, hormonal chaos, or brain fog are not random. They're your liver's distress signals. The incredible thing? Your liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself. Give it the right nutrients and it rebuilds cell by cell. That means it's never too late to reset. So let's unlock the foods that can help your liver perform like the high-efficiency machine it's meant to be. Let's begin with the first liver-healing powerhouse, the cruciferous family. We're talking broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, arugula, mustard greens, cauliflower, and even radish. These aren't just vegetables. They're biochemical weapons for your liver. Their secret? A compound called sulforaphane, one of the most powerful natural activators of your body's detox genes. It switches on phase 2 enzymes, the ones responsible for neutralizing and flushing out toxins. That means more efficient detox, less inflammation, and better blood sugar balance. Studies show that eating cruciferous vegetables just 3 times a week can raise liver antioxidant levels by over 30%. That's the same kind of support most supplements wish they could give you. So, make it easy. Add a handful of arugula to your eggs, a cup of broccoli with dinner, or toss raw cabbage into a salad. And if you want to go next level, use broccoli sprouts. They pack up to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Even a spoonful of mustard can reactivate sulforaphane that heat destroys. Bottom line, cruciferous vegetables are your liver's first line of defense. Feed it greens, and it will reward you with energy, focus, and clarity. Garlic, small clove, massive impact. It's one of nature's purest detoxifiers, loaded with sulfur compounds like allicin and S-allylcysteine. These molecules support your liver's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant that clears heavy metals, alcohol byproducts, and free radicals. Think of glutathione as your liver's security team. Garlic makes sure they're always on duty. Garlic also lowers fat buildup in the liver, reduces blood triglycerides, and improves circulation. It's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, a triple shield for your detox system. For the best results, crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. That activates its detox enzymes. Add it raw to salads or blend it into dressings. Your liver and your heart will thank you. Now we move to turmeric, the golden root that's become a global superstar, for good reason. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin has been shown in multiple studies to reverse fatty liver changes, reduce liver enzyme levels, and even help detoxify heavy metals like lead and mercury. It doesn't just protect liver cells, it helps them regenerate. Combine turmeric with black pepper or olive oil. That boosts its absorption
by up to 2,000%. A pinch in your morning eggs or evening soup is enough to start healing your liver from the inside out. Remember, inflammation is what damages liver cells first. Turmeric cools that fire naturally.
Next up, beets, the crimson detox heroes. They're rich in betaine and nitrates that help the liver process fats efficiently. When liver enzymes rise from inflammation or fatty buildup, beet compounds help bring them back down. That means smoother bile flow, cleaner blood, and more oxygen reaching your cells. A single glass of beet juice can boost nitric oxide, improving blood flow and supporting every organ, including your liver. For a lower sugar option, steam beets or grate them raw into salads. You'll keep the fiber that slows glucose spikes. Half a cup of cooked beets is only 6 grams of carbs, well within healthy range. Add that splash of color to your plate. Your liver sees it as pure fuel. Here's a food most people overlook. Mushrooms, turkey tail, shiitake, oyster, and maitake. They all share one gift: glutathione, the antioxidant your liver craves. Glutathione neutralizes the free radicals produced during detox. Without it, toxins linger longer and damage cells. Low glutathione is linked to nearly every liver disorder, from fatty liver to cirrhosis. Eating mushrooms regularly can restore that balance. They also enhance immune response and shield the liver from drug-induced or alcohol-related stress. So think of mushrooms as your liver's repair crew: subtle, reliable, and incredibly effective. Next, the creamy superfood that's basically liver medicine disguised as brunch. Avocados. They're loaded with vitamin E, glutathione, and healthy monounsaturated fats. These nutrients calm inflammation, rebuild liver cells, and optimize hormone metabolism, especially cortisol and estrogen. A study from Japan found that regular avocado eaters had 30% less liver damage when exposed to toxins. Even half an avocado 3 times a week can make a measurable difference in liver enzymes. Blend it, slice it, or mash it. Your body doesn't care how. It just benefits. Last but not least, extra virgin olive oil, the simplest yet most underrated liver ally. Just a teaspoon a day helps reduce fat accumulation and improves insulin sensitivity. It's packed with polyphenols that block oxidative stress, the real cause behind liver aging. Drizzle it over salads or steamed veggies. Never be afraid of its fat. It's the right kind of fat, one that helps your liver burn the wrong ones. When you combine olive oil with the other 6 foods, you're not just supporting detox, you're creating a regenerative environment inside your body. So here it is, your body's roadmap to renewal. 7 foods, 7 days, 1 challenge. For the next week, pick one of these liver-loving foods each day. Add it to your meals. Watch how your focus sharpens, your energy returns, and that stubborn fatigue starts to fade. This isn't magic. It's biology done right. Your liver is built to heal. You just have to feed it what it needs. So start today. Give your body 7 days of real nutrition and see what happens. And if this inspired you, hit subscribe to Wellness Plate, your weekly dose of science-backed health, because health isn't built overnight. Stay strong, stay curious, and keep fueling your wellness.